Hi guys, thank you so much for watching Cackle with Shrutika. This is me Shrutika and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in this video, I am going to be telling you about Bharati Vidyapeeth School of Physiotherapy, in which I'll tell you about these following points. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so let's start from the basic information about the course. So the Bachelor of Physiotherapy course is of 5 years, in which you have 4 years of academics and 1 year of compulsory internship. Now, talking about the eligibility to get into this college, firstly, you need to have 50% in your class 12. In PCB subject like physics, chemistry, biology, you should have 50%. The second thing for eligibility is that you need to appear for the BBDU CET. This is basically a common entrance exam to get into Bharati Vidyapeeth School of Physiotherapy. So now we'll be talking about how to appear for this entrance exam. So the syllabus for the entrance exam is going to be class 11th and 12th PCB questions. It is going to be an MCQ based exam and there will be no negative marking for it. For each right answer you have +1 and it is a computer based exam. Now talking about the entrance fee for this exam, it is 1.5k. Talking about the link for the entrance exam application, I have mentioned it below in the description, as well as I have put it over here, so you can directly click on the link in the description and open the form. So the last date of application for the entrance exam is 9th of June and the examination date is on 15th of June. The documents required for the application form of the entrance exam is firstly a soft copy of your photograph and secondly a soft copy of your signature. Okay, so now talking about the academical fee of the year 2025-26 for the first year, it is approximately 2.5 to 2.7 lakh for the first year, and it will increase by approximately 5% every year. Now talking about the number of seats in the college, it is 60. Okay, so now there are a few things which you need to remember while filling the form. Firstly, the common entrance exam is for 4 courses in total, so be careful that you select the Bachelor of Physiotherapy course while filling the form. Secondly, upload the correct document because these the photo and the signature will be there on your admit card. Third, the Bharati Vidyapeeth School of Physiotherapy has 2 branches. One is in Pune and the other one is Sangli. So be careful which one you opt. Okay, so now once you're done with filling the application form, we'll be talking about the admit card. The link to download the admit card will be sent to your email which you have filled during the application. Okay, so now once you're done with the exam, the result date is 24th June. So basically you will be done with your exam on 15th of June and you will get your result on 24th of June. Now talking about the counseling date. The counseling date is on 30th June. And as per the website, the college start date is from 14th of July. Now talking about the hostel facilities, the hostel fees are around 1.3 to 1.5 lakh per year including the mess. And here are few of the college campus photos. Okay, now talking about the college faculty, I have put the link of the faculty members in the description. You can click on the link and get to know about the college faculty members. Now talking about the college timing is from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, so if you have any other questions related to the college, feel free to ask them in the comments and I'll reply them all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.